Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video of Newport Beach and Balboa Beach. Have a great day. Peace. Hey everybody, we're in front of the Pirates of the Caribbean house in Newport Beach, and I'm going to do a little conceptual shot of the house with my selfie stick. Famous little house you got here.
Thank you.
Is this your house?
No.
Oh.
My buddies.
Yeah? Kind of an eyesore. You have to get used to it, right? It's really creative.
1,000 people a week to buy here and see it on Google.
I'm going to put it on YouTube.
It's on Google, too.
Is it? Yeah. My friend told me I came out here to film. He goes, I had the camera turned the wrong way. And so I came back to like shoot it the right way.
Good. So this is Antonio. He's in charge of all the pirates.
Oh, yeah?
There's a painter.
Hey kids, good morning.
I didn't realize it took so much upkeep, but yeah, with all this kind of rain, you have to kind of...
He's the special guy that's in charge of them all.
It's fantastic, and I love how it spills into the bay.
You can find him around. He does painting, custom
Antonio?
garage doors.
Yeah, I'm an artist. I do fine art.
Oh, really? I'm an artist, but I work on canvas. So.
Oh, sweet.
But I'm really impressed. I'm going to post that on YouTube. You can check it out. Beach Gypsy on YouTube.
Oh, thanks, man.
Check it out.
Riches.
Have a great day. Peace.
Nice house. Let me give you a card really quick.
Okay, cool.
I have a hard time keeping up with people, so if you could just maybe text me something.
Oh, yeah,
so
I'll text you the video link.
That's a hand-painted steel door.
Also, I'll send you the video link.
Perfect.
But you'll be on there.
I'd like to see that, brother.
Yeah. It's I got a small channel, but
Okay.
Take care.
Sweet. Let's build it up.
Yeah. Let's build it up. Then you can tell people to go check it out. Hey, good morning, everybody. Guess who's back in Newport Beach, California? It's me. Just got back from my whirlwind little 5, 6, 7 days in Tucson, Arizona, and I'm back to redeem myself in sunny 70-degree Newport Beach at 9:30 in the morning. It's nice and warm. So before I left, I got all my color back, by the way, thanks to the Arizona sunshine. And here I am. Now, before I left, I did a shoddy camera work of the Pirate House Caribbean here at 35th Street and Marcus in Newport Beach. And I got reamed for it by my best friend who said, I can't even see it. Well, apparently the camera was facing the other way with my Insta camera because it has 2 lenses. But here we are. And we're at the Pirate House. And here it is. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. So, this is the most incredible house artistic exhibit I've seen in my life, and I haven't even been to Disneyland yet, but it's fantastic. You've got every kind of incredible pirate and full-breasted woman you can possibly imagine. Statues, women and climbing down ropes, and pirates on balconies with their everybody. I got a one-legged pirate and a woman sword fighting and men carrying baskets and King Kong and a plane up on top of the roof. It is fantastic. Now, if you Google it, you'll find all the information you need to know about the Pirate House. So we've got the mobile marine and donkeys and horses, and this extends around the entire house. And there's King Kong in a cage up on top of the roof. Quite incredible. There's a gigantic rooster sitting on the edge, and then pirates sitting on top of the roof cage. So now this extends around the house and into Newport Bay. So women are dangling from ropes, and again, more full-breasted women pirates. And plenty of women swinging down from the balcony in ropes. Quite extraordinary, unique exhibit. We've got literal boats on the bay. Hold on, let me get this camera together so I don't get reamed again. There we go. We've got a pirate sitting here, one-legged pirate, and then flags and boats in the bay with pirates on it. It's quite incredible. So I'll get a little selfie here with Mr. Pirate Man. So here I am in front of the bay, and here's Mr. Pirate Man. Yay! Welcome to Newport Beach, California, everybody. Now, I have a little bit of information for you now that I redeemed myself with this video. I'll do a little 360 view of the drone flying over the house and the handheld drone. Let me get this camera together. There we go. There's the bay. Hi, Mom. Love you. All right, I have some information about my YouTube channel, Beach Gypsy. Thank you for, I finally reached 101 subscribers. I'm back in full force. Newport, with all the rain and everything, I got a nasty respiratory thing, but that's gone away. Oh, look, we've got a little nude-breasted woman and next to a Titanic life preserver inside of a little mini boat. And okay, so this is a really impeccable little neighborhood, and again we've got the King Kong up on top of the roof. So I'll do a 360 shot of the house. I wanted to update you about my channel, Beach Gypsy. I don't think I'm going to do walking tours continuous anymore. I'm not getting enough subscribers or views to warrant any money. I love walking, I love exploring, so I will pop in a video or two, but I am moving back to Newport Beach. So I'm moving back to Palm Springs, and I won't really be here enough to film that much anymore, and I want to try some different avenues with YouTube channels. I'd like to try, my friend was telling me, as a joke, he told me I should start doing rap videos. But he did say that reaction videos about album reviews are really popular, so I think I'd like to try that, because every time somebody reviews an album, they get like 35, they have 35,000 subscribers, and people just love to watch somebody reviewing an album for an hour, and I could rather just sit home and talk about an album endlessly rather than walk the streets endlessly with my two cameras, and it's just a lot of work to upload the videos. I love doing it. I love getting the sunshine. I love exploring and seeing new things. But this is all about money, really, and time. And I'm an artist, so I'm struggling to make money. Thank you very much for seeing my art on Saatchi Art. But, time is money, and, I will continue to keep this channel alive for a while, but I'm going to start posting different videos of reviews on this channel. And I probably will open up a sub-channel for reviews if that opens up to anything else. Now, if you've listened this far, I do have a second travel channel. If you're watching this channel right now, the other channel is called Dream Travel Love on YouTube. So I'm going to build that up with my world travels when I get really rich. But anyways, that's just the update. I want to tell you about Newport in California and Orange County. I absolutely love being back. I love to visit, but the truth is I really can't afford to be here full time. It's very expensive here, but I'll tell you one thing, it is a dream being back here in Newport Beach, California. I can understand why people would want to watch videos about Newport Laguna rather than Tucson, Arizona. Because it's an absolute dream being here. The weather's fantastic, and I love the way I feel when I'm in California. The air, the sunshine, the coolness is just impeccable. I feel incredible. I love being here. I just wish I could afford to be here full time. And pretty much I'm going to just paint for the next 3 months in Palm Springs, and I will come back to visit because I never will get enough of Newport Beach or Venice Beach or California. All right, thanks for watching the pirate video. I'm going to shut the camera up now and switch to my 360 and film a 360 view of the house. Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Peace. There we go. Got a little zoom camera going on now. Let's see if we can zoom in on the King Kong. YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video of Newport Beach and Balboa Beach. Have a great day. Peace. So there you go, everybody. That's the Pirates of the Caribbean house here in Newport, and we're just going to do a little walk of the neighborhood. It's absolutely gorgeous here in Newport Beach, and sorry about the rambling that I'm not going to film too many walking tours anymore. You know, my walking tours went viral. I mean, it might make it worth it, but I've got 4,000 hours that I'm trying to achieve on YouTube. At this point, if I add more content and some different types of videos, it might happen even on this channel. So I have nothing to lose. I'm in Newport for the next month. I'll do some walking tours. Now, of course, the fantastic weather is very conducive to views and the knowledge that I share and the different kinds of areas that I go to, and how positive I am on film about where I'm at. And on the positivity note, I will tell you this much. It is an absolute dream to be here in Newport Beach. It's, you know, it's not that as expensive as I say. It's just expensive for me because I'm a driver and I spend my weight in gold driving in this city on a weekly basis. Now, I've had quite a journey here over the last year in Newport, living and residing. But here is a shot of the bay. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. The house is here. We are in the most expensive city in Orange County, Newport Beach, California. The most expensive real estate per capita in the entire Southern California area. I live just 2 miles, barely half a mile away north of here. And our rent's only $3,000. We're doing great. But a lot of the houses for the same amount of retail space is about $4,500 a month. And if you're going to be on the beach, you'll be paying anywhere from $4,500 to $6,000 a month. I love to visit, and everything, as you can see, the grass is growing lush and beautiful. I was just in Tucson, Arizona, and my biggest complaint is so many weeds and there's so much dried grass. Now, I told you in the video also about Tucson. Tucson's a really striking place to live if you love the desert, if you love cacti and desert life and saguaro cactuses. I love the monsoons in Tucson, Arizona. Here's an incredible view of the bay and the bridge here in Newport. Tucson was actually really rejuvenating. It was good to take a break from Newport. Now, I'm not going to compare or contrast any city. I love Tucson, Arizona. I love Newport Beach. I love Laguna Beach. In fact, I can't wait to go to Laguna Beach this weekend and have a glass of wine. Even if it is going to be $15 a glass, I'll have a few. And I adore living everywhere. Now, make sure you check out my channel Dream Travel Love as well on YouTube. It's going to feature more silent tours of me walking around in fabulous cities such as Newport, Laguna Beach, Tucson, Arizona, Palm Springs. So, you know, Palm Springs is actually just 100 miles west of Newport Beach. My only complaint about getting out of Newport is it takes about 3 to 5 hours just to get back to Palm Springs, when it really technically should only take an hour and a half. But it's a very dense area. It's very crowded, and it's hard to travel on the freeways getting in and out of Newport. Once you're in, it's relatively easy to get around, and I've had the beauty of learning so much about the area. I know my way around Newport back and forth from beaches far and wide: Huntington Beach, Laguna Beach, Newport, Costa Mesa. I know how to get around. LA is just 44 minute drive north of Newport, so hopefully I can get some walking tours of Santa Monica and Venice Beach when I get fully rested. Look at the incredible poppy garden here. Everything grows so beautifully here in Newport Beach. And I will use my favorite word that I use on YouTube all the time. It is stunning. And I feel stunning. The palm trees are fantastic. We're right on the corner of Del Rialto and Lake Avenue here in Newport Beach. Just up ahead is the very high-end Pavilions grocery store, which sits conveniently a block away from the beach and Balboa Beach and the boardwalk. So, these videos here in Newport can go on forever. Now, if I'm in the right frame of mind, I could come out here and do walking tours in the city for the rest of my life. I love it here. So, if you're watching this far, thank you so much for being one of my subscribers. Don't be surprised when you check out my channel and I'm doing an hour video review of Phil Collins live in concert, or Elvis Presley live in concert, my reaction video to that. But I'm going to switch it up a little bit and try to get some more viewers and some more content. I know everybody loves silent walking tours, and there's a lot of people out there that are kind of fans of watching me ramble and talk about where I'm at and my reaction and my point of view to Newport Beach. But I'm still relatively a new YouTuber. I've only been doing this for about 3 or 4 months. I've got about 1,200 hours of views. I need about 4,000. I want to make some money. I want to get viral on here. And I'm just kind of feeling like over the last month, with all the rain and not being able to film with no fresh sunlight, that it's just been really, really difficult. And I've just sort of run. It's going to be, I do have to work, and I wish that I was independently wealthy where I could just film every day. But the truth is, I've got gas and food, and I have bills to pay, car payment, car insurance. The gas is what gets me out here driving 7 days a week out here in Newport Beach. But no complaints. I'm glad to be back in this dreamy city, Newport Beach, California. Just filmed the Pirate House. And I'm going to wrap this video up because I have to go home and work on the computer and post some of my art to Saatchi Art. Don't forget to check out my new art on Saatchi Art. I just completed a large 70 by 70 painting in Tucson, Arizona, which is quite fabulous. I listed it for $6,000 on Saatchi. Have a great day. Peace. Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Have a great day.